So I'm in Camtasia 2019 and I want to merge two videos. How do I go about doing that? So first step is to import the videos that we want to merge to our project. Okay. Conveniently I've recorded these before. I have recording 1 and recording 2. Really simple videos. It's like testing 1, 2, 3, testing 4, 5, 6. But I mean, this should work for any type of video, of course. So first thing we do is take recording 1. I'm gonna pull it in to the timeline. After that, I'm gonna pull in recording 2, right after recording 1. Okay. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the share button at the top right. All right. We're gonna do local files, local file. I'm gonna just kind of take all the default values here. You can change some of your values depending on your project. This is kind of the happy path. I mean, you have controller size. There's a variety of settings here that you can change. I'm not really going to go through that. Really kind of the point of this exercise is that just kind of the basic merging function. So we'll click next. Again, accepting defaults. Next. We're going to go ahead and download this to the downloads folder, and we'll click finish. It's going to take a little time to generate the video. Okay, we're done. Click finish. Let's go to our downloads folder, and we see we have a folder here for our video. Double click. Here's our video MP4 that we want. Okay. So this is video number 1. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now we have video number 2. Testing 4 5 6. Testing 4 5 6. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, like I said, you can check some different options. There's a few other bells and whistles, but if you just need just a basic, quick and dirty merge of two videos, that's how you do it. Thanks.